Yo, what the hell did I just cook? What the hell? Dude, I don't know what the hell I just cooked here. And that totally was not a plan. But it slaps. You gotta be shitting me right now. Spank me, daddy. What the hell did I just make? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Oversample Secret Lab. This video was supposed to be a little showcase plugin of a plugin that I found recently online. That's really cool. That I think is one of the best plugins of 2024. But it turned out to be a making of one of the best tracks I've ever made in my entire life. And it's just totally insane. So at the beginning of this video, you'll see me showcasing the plugin, telling you what it does, which is still an important part of this video. But then we go into this direction of adding elements and making a song, and it takes these turns, and we are getting something completely mind-blowing and insane at the end that I just can't put into words. That's how it's gonna go. So hope you enjoy it. Let's go. For the next few days, I'll have a few of the different videos incoming, a few about the plugins, sound design techniques, and one very special thing that I really want to show you that I've been working on for some time, so you can expect those. But today, ladies and gentlemen, we have a very special plugin that Cable Guys produce, and they did cook. I saw it, took me like 10 seconds to realize this, and I was like, man, this is one of the best plugins of 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Snapback, and they got them cooked with it. Unfortunately, it's not sponsored. Still making a video on it anyways. I wish it was. I like money. I need money. I want to buy a house, so please give me some money. Companies, please sponsor me. You know what I'm saying? Snapback, it's just super useful. It just adds exactly what I was kind of looking for drums. It's really precise. It adds little fades in before the transients, and it adds a few transients. So if you have a drum loop, we're going to be using sounds from Sound Design Mission, latest Oversampled sample pack. A rhythm loop, very simple yet very clean. You have the snapback and you have transients. Snapback is going to add a little fade in. Always increase the attack, fade in. So it adds that little fade in before the transient, and it makes the whole drum loop just smoother, you know? You have some basic controls too. The transient one is gonna add on every single hit. Especially on this kick. Without it. With it. That's mainly what it does. It has this triggering mode that you can adjust some different parameters of detecting the transients, and it is precise. Where the magic really starts is where you pull up some sound. Not like a transient heavy bass. You can literally drag it here. That's all it is here. And now you're using the rhythm of this to play a sound, basically. Now you can put any sound here. And that's so easy. You don't have to think about, how do I create a rhythm? What rhythm do I create? Do I have to like write it down in MIDI, everything? This just does it for you. And when you get tired of this rhythm, you can put another one of a different sound. And now just go and pick one-shot sounds. Keep testing them out. You'll find something cool. Oh, what the hell? Oh! Oh, what the hell? That slaps. So that would be like the first sound. Duplicate it. And on the second one, drag this and duplicate it like that. Enable this automation. Disable it before. And do the opposite thing to this one. Disable it here. So we have this. And then we have a switch up to the different sound. Maybe let's add a little bit of a first hit stub. This is my favorite one. Hypnotic. Fade it in maybe. Take like a snare. Drip, the one with the most drip. Reverse it. Take a long kick. The long ones are inside punchy. Like crystal is long with that nice crystal transient. Maybe pitch it down a little bit so that it's not look like woo. Voices. Silence. Can you automate the pitch? And like experiment with some chroma maybe. Technically we could just like duplicate it, put some ear candy there maybe. This one is totally one of the best ones. You can make your section super good real quickly by adding these ear candies. I'm just using them all the time as one of the best sections in this pack. So many like one shots. All you gotta do is to drop them and pitch. And you can add a lot of them actually, and just like you can reverse them, fade them in out. Everything is just better. These ones are crazy. Ooh. Bonsai flute. Bow. Add some crashes. The best one, Crash of Life. I already said this, but it gives you a shit ton of HP. Okay, not gonna lie about it. Actually, that slaps. At the end, put something to like transition. These ones are like what the hell? Yo, what the hell did I just cook? What the hell? Reverse it here. Not sure about this flute. Oh, that's a different one. Oh, what the hell? That kind of sucks. Go down. Bro, that slaps. I actually don't know what it sounds like on the headphones, so if it sounds like shit, I don't know that. Always put OTT on the master. See how much it glues together everything? It's so like sweet on the kick. And less cold. Make it a sausage. We need this here, because like a transition. But like short only. Like of course. Why am I not putting a brass here? Different pack. Fade to dust. That's kind of cool, I'm not gonna lie. Nectar.
Fade to dust. Fade to dust. Crystallize.
Oh, what the hell? Oh yeah, exactly. Dude, that slaps. It's crazy. But have you ever make a little bit of the dry wet automation just before here? Add this. Oh wait, there's no way I'm not gonna do that. Like this was supposed to be a short video, but there's no way I will not do this. I gotta do this. A different kick. Beam. Oh, what the hell? Oh, wait. Oh, what the hell? Dude, I don't know what the hell I just cooked here, and that totally was not a plan. But it slaps.
Fade to dust.
Bro, hell yeah, what the hell? Always check. You gotta be shitting me right now. Spank me, daddy. What the hell did I just make? And the plan for this was to just show you the plugin. We made something genius, totally not expected. Like, what the hell? How about -4? Bro, holy shit. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you have learned something new. If you are interested in the Sanzai Mission Sample Pack, link in the description, or oversample.us. I think I covered the Snapback plugin that kind of got sucked into making this track. I think I covered it fully, yeah. There's like a little bit of like different functions here and there, like those tiny details, but mainly it's just like fades in and adds transients, and you can do a bunch of cool things, and there are like presets to it. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.